Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my house. And today is Temu Tuesday, y'all. So get you something to drink and we're gonna get into this haul. Here's today's haul, y'all. So let me get everything out of the bags and we're gonna get right to it. Okay, today's gonna be a little crinkly, so I'm sorry. So turn your volume down. I'm gonna try to get on the closed captions where you won't have to hear all the bag rattling. But it's a small haul, so it won't last long. Okay. Got me some more pom-poms, y'all. Remember I said they were on sale, so I ordered more. So for $6.17, I got 18 yards. Got a price adjustment of $1.18, so they were $4.99. And thank you for everyone that gave me suggestions how to store it. So I got 18 yards of this. And here it is. So $4.99. You can't beat that. Cannot beat it. So I got two. I got two at the $6.17. And that's before they gave me $1.18 off. Okay, that was red. Here we have, and I think they call it rose. I call it hot pink fuchsia. So for $5.79, I got 21 cents off, so it made it $5.58. Can't wait y'all to start making stuff. This is the trim on my house. Right here, the fuchsia. I had got magenta, and magenta is a little bit different color than the fuchsia. So this is what's gonna go with that blue. It's also in my office too. So 18 yards of this, y'all. I mean, I'm hooked up, and it's stretchy. So that's, can't wait, y'all. All right, for $5.76, I got 18 cents off. So it was $5.58. And I got orange. Did I get orange? I don't know if I got orange before, did I? Or did I get black? I got orange this time. You know what this is? Halloween. Woohoo! I'm so ready for Halloween, y'all. Fall. Who else is ready for Halloween? 18 yards, y'all, for $5.58. Can't beat that. So even if you don't junk journal, and I might use this in some of my Christmas and Halloween vignettes. I'm gonna start making some vignettes. That's not what we call them. We just call them like Dolly Rambas and drugstore something. Now they call it drugstore chic. So, you know, like little villages of Christmas decorations and Halloween decorations. So, all right, my last two things, y'all, like I said, not big hauls anymore. For $2.98, I got one price adjustment. No, it says two price adjustments. So 63 cents off for both price adjustments. So it was $2.35. I got me 2 packs. And this is a one-time Temu got me. They might have got me one other time, but this is a one-time, really big time. I thought I was getting a 1-inch wide flat brush. That's what I paint with. Y'all see me when I do my crafts. But these are dinky. I'm still going to use them, but they're dinky. So now I got to find me some 1-inch ones. But you get a pack of 15. So it's 15. I'd paid $10 for that. I would, you know, they got offered to me. I'm only finding them in 3 packs for $3. And it's not even all of them 1 inch. So this is plastic. So yep, they'll get used, but it wasn't what I wanted. I wanted the 1 inch. So more pom-pom. Y'all know me, I'm busting out these two videos together, so hopefully y'all don't get mad at me. Because like I said, I got some Halloween and fall decorations to get started on. I start decorating for Halloween and fall. September the 1st is when everything goes out. So I got from now, 3 weeks to build whatever I'm going to build to get out for this year. And I want some new tombstones. So I think I'm going to make me a big old crypt. I'm not really sure yet. and I got some other stuff to make. I'm not sure what I'm making yet, so I'm behind on that. So I hope you like my haul. Comment down below, what are y'all buying on Temu right now? This is all from Temu, not local. So this is all non-local stuff. I think I got 2 more orders. One I had to have some stuff for reefs, and the other one, oh, Christmas stuff, because I have to make some Christmas decorations. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you'll come back and watch me again. Don't forget my Why Not Wednesdays. I'm going to start trailing off on the Thursday content. No more hauls on Thursday. I'm just going to back them up with one or the other, because I'm telling you, my views have went. So that tells me you don't want to watch it, so I'm not even going to put it out there. I'm going to stop. But I got to do my crafts, and I'm going to start feeding more into my crafts. So I hope y'all liked it, and I hope y'all get ideas from me, and y'all able to make something that I make. Hopefully, I want to see if anyone ever makes a reef. I want to see y'all. I hope I inspire y'all to do that. I mean, if I just inspire one person to make one, that would be so wonderful. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Why do you look cockeyed? Are we cockeyed? I don't know if we're cockeyed.